Hold up. Bragging about being broke? Believe it or not, that's trending. It's called loud budgeting, and Gen Z is making it cool to say no thanks and save cash. We get it. Being asked to cover a round of drinks or buy new outfits when rent is due feels terrible. 61% of folks our age say money stress is a huge worry. Between sky-high living costs and student loans, saving feels impossible. And to make it worse, we've been taught to keep our budgets secret. But guess what? That's changing. Enter loud budgeting, the opposite of hiding your wallet. It's about being open and proud of it. TikTok comedian Lucas Battle started this by saying things like, "I'm saving so I can't come out tonight." Suddenly, people aren't whispering no, they're shouting it and owning their goals. Why does this matter? First, it kills guilt. You know you should save, but saying no to friends felt awkward. Loud budgeting flips that. It lets you say, "No, I'm saving for my future," and feel damn good about it. You get accountability. Tell your friends you're saving and they'll cheer you on or even join in. You escape peer pressure. Instead of making excuses, you just say the truth. It's not in my budget. And seriously, it makes money talk not so taboo. 45% of people used to be embarrassed discussing money. Loud budgeting says, money is part of life. Let's talk. Imagine this. Your phone buzzes. A friend invites you to a concert. Past you might accept and regret it, but loud budgeting you texts back, "I'd love to, but I'm saving for a new camera. How about a movie night at home next week?" Boom! You saved $50 that night and stuck to your goal. In fact, one survey found that 1/3 of Gen Z do loud budgeting and save on average $629 a month. That's like an extra $7,500 a year. And hey, loud budgeting isn't just saying no. It's celebrating your wins, too. Did your roommate cook a cheap gourmet dinner? Tell everyone about that victory. Speak up, and suddenly everyone around you feels empowered to do the same. I tried a personal #loud budgeting challenge. I told my squad I'm skipping out on weekends out to save for a trip. Guess what? They totally got it. Instead of my usual $30 dinner, we did a potluck and had an epic night for $5 each. Small switches like that added up fast. And you don't have to be super strict. One TikToker said she's still partying, but she just cuts costs. Group coffee instead of bar drinks. The key is intention. Every dollar not spent on something small gets you closer to your big goal, whether that's a car, debt freedom, or even just sleep without money worries. So here's the take-home. Being smart with your money isn't lame, it's powerful. Gen Z and millennials are turning saving into a movement. Loud budgeting says, I'm in control of my life, not my credit card. And you can totally join in. What will you save for? Drop a comment with something you're budgeting out, and hit like if you're proud of your finances. Don't forget to subscribe for more money hacks and real talk. Let's make saving the coolest trend. Wink. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and shout your savings.